Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you will learn the steps on how to set up Wi-Fi data logger. Step 1. Install the SolarMan business app from Play Store. Second step. Open the SolarMan business app. Press Agree for their service agreement and privacy policy. After that, select the region that corresponds to business scope. The system will provide access to data and services specific to your chosen region. For me, I check other Asian countries or region. Then I click Confirm below it. Third step, create account. If you have already your account, just enter your registered email address or registered phone number or your username. Then your password. Then click Log in. If you haven't, then click Register. And create your account. Since I have already my account, so I click Log in. If important hint appear, just click Agree. Now, this is my dashboard. As you can see, my plan in this my watch list is 0. Step 4. Add a plan. From the upper right corner, click the plus sign symbol. You can see the Create a Plan. Press it. To allow the SolarMan to access the device's location, just click Allow only while using the app. Then here, fill up the name you want. Your region, address, capacity, system type, plant type. If you're done, just click Save. Your plant has been created. Please follow the step below to complete the system commissioning. Step 5. To complete the process, just add the Wi-Fi data logger. Press this Add Data Logger to scan the code from the Wi-Fi data logger. Like this. As we can see, only 2 lights are blinking. The first LED is not yet blinking. To add, scan the code from this data logger. Wi-Fi configuration guide appear. Just press Wi-Fi configure soon. Just take note that it does not support 5G band. We need only 2.4G frequency band. Now press Switch Network. Find the Wi-Fi you want to connect to this Wi-Fi data logger. And then, enter the password. After that, click Start to configure. Wi-Fi signal strength test will appear. Then, Wi-Fi transmission speed test. Device configuration begin. Please shorten the distance between the device, router and phone. If configuration failed appear, just click Return to modify. Then, connect again to the Wi-Fi. I repeat, use only 2G frequency band. Again, select the Wi-Fi you want to connect to your Wi-Fi data logger, and then enter the password. Press the Start configuration. Automatically, the site will test your Wi-Fi network twice. First, the Wi-Fi signal strength test. And then, the Wi-Fi transmission speed test. Device configuration countdown begin up to 60 seconds. Please shorten the distance between the device, router and phone. You keep also the Bluetooth on during the configuration. Wait until configuration succeeded. The device data will be displayed after 10 minutes. After that, you can check device status in device list. As we can see, the serial number of my Wi-Fi data logger is already here. The net is also blinking. It is a sign that the Wi-Fi data logger confirmation is successful. Wi-Fi is already connected to the Wi-Fi data logger. Click Done above. After 10 minutes, the device data will be displayed here. You can check here the dashboard, the devices, alerts, and about. Later, we can monitor our created plan. We can check the production power, grid power and etc. Just explore the apps, later you will learn many things about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. See you for my next videos.